Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix Apple screen time not working. Method 1. Disabled and re-enabled screen time. Open the Settings app and tap Screen Time. From the bottom, tap Turn off screen time. Enter the screen time passcode if asked. Tap Turn off screen time from the slide up. Now, restart your iPhone. After the reboot is complete, open the Settings app again. Tap Screen Time and turn it on. Method 2. Check Apple server status. Visit the official system status page and ensure you see a green dot next to screen time. If it is yellow or red and the note outage, then screen time is not working. You will have to wait until Apple fixes the problem. Method 3. Set date and time automatically. Go to Settings. Tap General. Tap Date and Time. Turn on Set automatically. If prompted, choose your time zone. Method 4. Turn off low power mode. Go to your iPhone Settings app and selecting the battery section. You'll see the option to turn off low power mode. Method 5. Update the device's OS to the latest build. If you have trouble with screen time on family sharing, ensure you and your kids, added to family sharing, run the same latest version of iOS on their respective devices. Method 6. Sign out of Apple ID and sign in again. Open the Settings app and tap your name from the top. Scroll to the bottom and tap Sign out. Enter your Apple ID password and proceed. Restart your iPhone. Open the Settings app and tap Sign in at the top. Method 7. Make sure Share across devices is enabled. If screen time reports aren't visible or there are issues in restrictions on your child's device, it may be that your screen time settings are disabled. Open Setting and select Screen Time. Ensure the setting, Share across devices, is enabled on your iPhone. Method 8. Check from the blocked contacts. Check if the person you want to share with is blocked by you and vice versa. Open the iPhone settings and open FaceTime. Now select blocked contacts and swipe left on the required contact. Then tap on Unblock and afterward, restart the iPhone. Method 9. Reset all settings on iPhone. Open the Settings app and tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset from the bottom. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and proceed.